To learn more about what you've seen on this nature program, visit PBS online at www.pbs.org. Next time on Nature. It's a dangerous world for such a delicate creature. One of the great survivors of the Serengeti, the Thompson's gazelle, is born to run.
Parrots, Look Who's Talking is available on home video cassette for $19.95 plus shipping. To order, call 1-800-336-1917 or write to the address on your screen.
Major funding for nature is provided by the Park Foundation, dedicated to education and quality television. Major corporate support is made possible by Canon in our dedication to the preservation of nature and its never-ending beauty. In photographs, you can capture the wild and leave it as you found it. By Ford Motor Company. Again, this holiday season, we'll collect hundreds of thousands of holiday cards so the St. Jude's Ranch for Children can recycle them into new ones. Ford Motor Company. Better ideas driven by you. And by TIAA-CREF, meeting your personal investing needs with mutual funds, tuition savings plans, investments for retirement, insurance, and more. TIAA-CREF, ensuring the future for those who shape it. And by annual financial support from viewers like you.
Oh, yes, sir. Flo is dancing beautifully. Flo is dancing beautifully. Hi, Flo. They talk to us in our own language when they're not dancing. Right, Flo? Good girl, Flo. Here, you want this? Nah, it's all out of the shelf. You don't want it. What's wrong with you?
Gary.